Hi guys, after so many months, we finally got a new hire kit, and I'm super excited to unbox it with you guys. So stay tuned throughout the video. देखते हैं क्या क्या चीजें मिली हमें. So this is the new hire kit which we have bought from the company, and middle of it obviously that it's a bag. It's a really good bag actually. यहाँ पे ऐसे USB charger point भी है. Then we have this. The plushie along with this, and then nice. So this is one thing. Now I'm excited to open this. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे लैपटॉप ही दे दिया उन्होंने. It's like so big. So this is the Microsoft kit, and let me show you guys के अंदर क्या क्या है. Hey there, warmest welcome to Microsoft family. We are in this together because together we are better. Great. This is a really cool thing. I think these are posters. Yep. It's Minecraft. These are some cool posters. Then we have, let's see what this is. Oh, it's a laptop bag to put in your laptop. Cool one. Cute white color bag. And we have this. So it's like, okay, there's a water bottle. Okay. Diary. So that's a diary. Cute. Then there's something, I think it's a CD. I don't know. Oh, it's not a CD. It's just Game Pass. Then we have some cute pens and pencils. Let's open this. So these are pens. We have cute seeds. Arikuska. And some pencils. Wow. Again, different types के seeds है ऊपर में. So it's like this. And then we have a box. Microsoft Silver Play button, guys. No, I wish. Okay. These are some envelopes. Okay, stickers. Plenty and plenty of stickers. Microsoft stickers. Wow. Do you guys remember this game? I used to play that a lot as a child. So yeah.
So these are the things we got.
So that was the new hire kit, guys. And yeah, stay tuned for more such entertaining videos. Bye.